Ooh, welcome back. Another video. It's been a minute making a comeback. I did not fall off. uh, for real, we got the 2026 Underground Sound, not SoundCloud, just Sound Cypher. Okay, last year they did 2025, which was bingy, pretty fun. Yeah, it was all there, right? Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, this year they got 2026, so I only know one person up here right now at the top of the looks. That's this dude, because he makes that one outrageous sound. And just sound like a whole bunch of noise. I don't know everybody else at the top of my head, top of the looks. This SpongeBob? Is this Lil Bill? Who is? I don't know, gang. Let's get it. Let's just go. I'm not finna act like I know everybody, bro. Oh, I know the names. I know the names. I know the names when I see them.
I'm 42.
I know it's 42. Yeah, it's 42. Yeah. Shout out 42.
I'm 42, and this is the 2026 Underground Sound Cypher.
Let's go. Swag. Okay, turn me up. Captain Swag. Okay, huh? Okay. Captain Swag. I like the sound of that, though.
Coming to your trap with Mac 11. Count swag for your bitch, she said my dick like heaven. I'm the type of nigga walk into your trap with no socks.
This reminds me straight Lil B. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not saying copy him now. I'm just saying that's what it remind me of. Turn my camera up a little bit. I wish it was a little bit louder too. It sounds so low, and it's not on me. This is literally damn. This is damn being so low. Let's get right there. Yeah, but it's pretty cool. So I like it. Captain Swag. I mean, this is not real much you can say right here. I'm sorry, what? You the type of who to get groomed on what? On Roblox? That's a bar. That's a bar. I'm not saying it's a good or bad bar. It's a bar though. It's a bar, hey.
I feel like I'm in black ops. Bitch, I'm swagged out, so I went to the grocery store. I ain't see the whore, so a nigga left the grocery
store. What? I ain't see the horse, so nigga left the grocery store. Gay. What? Huh? Bro, I need this, bro. I need this coming back, bro. I need this, bro. What? I think go geek, bro. We need to have a geek counter, bro. Every time somebody say geek, bro, that's what we need. I can't take this thing serious, bro. I can't take this dude serious, bro. I'm so high. I went to Chick-fil-A on a Sunday, bro. I can't take this man serious, bro. I can't take this man serious. Who's wrong with this dude, bro? This day, hey, I ain't gonna. This dude funny though. I can't even lie. This dude is funny, bro.
Crazy block a hoe like the Kim. This swag so global. I got white hoes in Norway.
Okay. Captain Swag. Who next? Hollow Tip Hero. Okay, I'm getting older, gang. I don't know who these dudes are, but why is it so low? I wish it was louder for y'all. I'm trying to turn it up a little bit for y'all so y'all can hear some more. Cause bro, it's just so low, bro. Dude, I'm thinking that was my headphones or something. Nah, bro, this thing just that low. I'm gonna put it at 130 for y'all. Hopefully that helps. LA, NYC, I got jet lag. Smoke runs in my head. Fit red back, taste that back. I done went up, don't know how to act. She got me blocked, bitch, she call me back. Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match. Go yard bag, I pop tag. They coming first, then you coming last. She played a song, then she run it back. They going denim all over my ass. Niggas be hype, really, they be ass. Stay outside, I don't even rap. Bro, I'm getting so old, gang. I have not heard of this dude. No, there's nothing against him. No offense to Hollow Tip Hero. I just never heard. I usually hear like the underground rappers though. I usually hear about that. At least know about a couple of them. I know more than like the average. But bro, I'm getting old, gang. I don't know these dudes. And he sound a little bit off beat. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to keep up. I'm trying.
Get to the bag, then I go sit back and relax. Bitch, damn, sit back, smoke. Ex nigga out like tic-tac-toe. A lot of these niggas be still in the flow. You tryna slide them, gotta let me know. I hit the ground and money on the floor.
Bro, I hate this beat. I'm not gonna. I think it's this beat. This beat is just trash. I don't know what is going on in this beat.
Can't come around you acting like a hoe. Too many chops, any money, mo. Virginia Beach, better not be alone. Fuck nigga. What? Sled. Yo, LA, NYC, I got jet lag. Smoke runs where my head at. Fit red back, taste that back. I done went up, don't know how to act. She got me blocked, this shit held me back. Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match.
He low-key remind me of Medicine and Glock 40. That's who low-key remind me of. Both of them mixed together. That's who you low-key remind me of. You could have chose a better beat. That beat was not it. Oh, this is too Slimy Simi. I said this was too Slimy. It's him. This is a dude. I don't know who this is. No offense. Do I know somebody? Do I know him? Laid, bro. I'm cooked, gang. Okay, Laid. Show me something, Laid.
Stop letting them gas you up. Play with this shit, just know that we slide, nigga, we turn it up. Got all types of hoes, don't know who to choose. Shit, I just need me a nut. Got a young nigga mad, she still with the game. Boy, she said you a plug. If you saying it's up, it's stuck. Now these niggas mad at us. I stay out the way, I'm counting my hundreds, confused, I'm running it up.
Okay.
Just pop me a 10, I'm about to get turned. Finna go up in the function.
Okay.
Hoes, a young nigga home, shit, it really ain't nothing. Love my hoe so much, I can't even choose who I want.
Okay, he kind of smooth, kind of chill and smooth. I like that. I like this a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I like this.
I'm picking and choosing, I do what I want. Girl, I know I'm wrong. I'm picking that money before I choose you, cause we ain't lasting long. Bad bitch give me head. Little bit gon' do what I said. All this shit I got cost me a leg. What's your hoe and I'm rocking the bed. Play with me, I'ma fill you a leg. No cap, I'ma aim for the head. All these bitches, they know I'm the man. All these bitches, they know I'm the man.
Okay. That was it, dude. That was like 30 seconds, bro. Golly, bro. These dudes be so short. That was nothing. That was it. That was literally it. Gang, we are cooked, man. That was it. I'm scared for these two, bro. I don't even want to be beside these two niggas, bro. These niggas look like demons, especially this dude right here, bro. Know this man a demon, bro. Hey, bro, stay out of jail, bro. Please, bro. Raining low, bro. Who are these niggas, bro? I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, bro. I have not heard of a single. I only heard one name. It's a Too Slimy dude getting, because he was getting memed. I have not heard of a single other person yet so far, bro. I was about to say something to me crazy, bro. Bro, it's so over, bro. This is next generation, bro. It's so over, bro. This shit is so over, bro. This sound like Cardi mixed with somebody else, bro. I can't think of the other person top of my head, but you know it definitely sound like Cardi, bro. Gang, what? I knew it from the minute I seen the shoes and his beat. I already knew it would be on straight bullshit, bro. I just do it.
Bitch, I'm in your breast, yeah. Bitch, I'm kinda chest, whoa. I'ma put a leg flat, hit the money spread, yo. Hit a stanky leg, bitch. Learn kind of guap, learn from fast. We got clientele, putting them through hell, they like where's nail, bitch, I pin my nail, I go out the rail, choke a chain, bitch, choke a chain, bitch.
Bro, we not even trying no more, gang. We not even trying no more, gang. We not even trying no more, gang. No way, we're serious, bro. Holy shit, bro. Holy shit. Bro, by ear, dog. My ears, bro. I don't know. I can't process what's happening. Bro, just gotta be April Fools, bro. This had to be April Fools or something, bro. No way we serious. No way we serious. Bro, hell nah. Bro, no, gang. No, bro, I'm getting trolled, gang. I'm getting trolled, gang. No. No way, bro. No way we're serious. I'm getting trolled. Bro, I am getting trolled, bro. I am getting trolled. I'm getting trolled. I'm getting trolled. I am getting trolled. Dude, what is happening? Hello? Hello? Are we serious? Bro, what the fuck is happening? Bro, and it's somebody that's like a teenager in high school, like, nah, this shit go hard for real, bro. They actually be going around driving their car, or they be walking around school, AirPods in their ears, blasting this, bro, saying, yeah, this is it, bro. I'm sorry, gang. I'm sorry, gang. I might have to put you down, bro, if you think this is it, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. This not it, man. You got to hit the studio again, gang. But no, I can't even say that because it's working for him. It's working for the artist, so I can't even say. I'm not even trying to hate Randy Lowe. I'm not even trying to hate, bro. You got it, bro. You up next, bro. You made it 2026 Underground Sound Cypher, so you made it next.
Yeah. Both my bitch the same.
Tally, where you at?
Both my cards same. Right stop, put on chain. I don't even know her name. Went from none to fame. Rock out on my pain. Same with all my hoes.
Okay.
I stayed in my lane. Meantime, I read my jeans. Hellcat got no key. I'm losing my speech.
Okay, I'd rather listen to this than everything I heard so far. And that's a delayed dude. Delayed dude was cool. He kind of remind me of Young Nudie a tad bit. He's melodic.
She treat me like Jesus. I'm going overseas. Selena double G. I make all my peace with both my bitches.
I like his voice too.
Rockin' star, I'm bouncing inside my seat. It's how you keep it up. Both my bitch the same. Both my cards the same. Right stop, put on chain.
Okay.
I don't even know her name. Went from none to fame. Rock out on my pain.
Yeah, I like his voice. He got a good voice around rap.
Same with all my hoes. I stayed in my lane. Meantime, I read my jeans. Hellcat got no key. I'm losing my speech. Geek, I'm having weeds.
I like him a lot. He got a lot of potential. He got a good voice too, and he knows how to use his auto tune. I like him. Tywin WYA, I think that's his name. Tywin WYA. I don't know how to pronounce it. I like him the most so far. I really like his. Here you go. Demons. For this. Elori. Oh yeah, I knew he was a Florida nigga, man. I mean, you see it from the Wicks. He knew he was Florida. He knew he was from Florida, bro. Dude, am I tripping? I don't know if he like from Florida and UK. It's not like he's from both. I think I'm tweaking, bro. I don't know. He sound like you from both, bro. I will say though, I do like. I was not expecting him to rap on this type of beat. I'm not gonna lie. So it's kind of cool, but at the same time, it just don't sound that good. I'm not trying to hate, bro. I just don't know what's happening, bro. Why you rapping so? Why you screaming on this chill ass beat? You can't even fit a ski mask with all your hair, gang. That's how I know this nigga lying, bro. That's how I know this nigga lying. You can't even fit a ski mask with all the hair. Or maybe you can. I don't know. Maybe it's that type of demon. I don't know. Dude, bro, I'm a loss of words, bro. I am speechless from what I'm hearing so far. Do I just Underground Cypher? I'm not gonna lie. Last year clear as this, bro. This shit, bro. This shit, man. Holy shit, man. Last year had some. They had an all-star lineup last year. They must have been rushing this year or something. I don't know, bro. I'm sorry, bro. This is not it, gang. What am I hearing? It's a cool beat though. I guess. Obvious.
I had a feel like online handles. Too far, John nigga, shit in that sandals. I'm up to motherfucker, tree like a pendulum. I'm not a nigga, gon' play like a random. Lights turn bumping, they fire at 10. If that shit not a con, it answer.
Dude, this had to be a late April Fool's joke, bro. What the fuck is going on? Are we serious? Dude, I know the underground sound is not that bad. I heard so many good underground artists, and I am one that always says that I don't like how most of them always rap out the same stuff, just use a whole bunch of auto-tune, just rap over these random based out beats. But I do like it sometimes though. And there's so many artists that was not on the cover last year that couldn't have been on this year's cover. They probably didn't turn it down to. No way, why didn't I turn it down? No way, bro. No way. Gang, what is this? What is this? They dead ass not even trying to rap on the beat. They dead ass just saying words and sentences over these beats. Dead ass not even saying any, or no, I'm sorry, dead ass not even having any real flows or anything. They just rapping, not rap. They just saying words and sentences and fragments over beats. Gang, what are we doing?
No, it's not a dance. Should've went motherfucker honey wrist. Saying my tone on like popping on them. And I feel they know that surprise you a bitch. Nigga got fist now, hoe getting candy. I'm a little truth putting lines of tryst. They got sign for that deal. They got sign for that deal. Jet ran like a bill. Then nigga net like the deal. Then nigga town that still taking years in the seal. Nigga not sales in here. Then nigga pay for that hand job, bitch no will. I'm not set by mama.
Dude, this has to be a troll, bro. I'm not buying that these niggas are real artists, bro. I'm telling you, bro. They probably said, hey, I got 30 minutes to go in there and make up a fake underground rap song. They just pick random niggas with dreads and shit out the street, bro. There's no way these niggas are serious, bro.
I'm not set by Bummy. Trying to bounce up shit like Kevin and Kill. In that patch of the mill.
What the hell was that, bro? What the hell was that?
In that patch of the mill. Nigga, I saw. Had these niggas shot down. For the church got a lot for that bar. None of them niggas right around me. And it's 13 on 26. Look, on these I funny.
My braid, bro. My braid is fried, bro. I'm so glad I got Baby Keem after this, bro. My brain is fried right now, bro. Oh my god, GG. GG. No way. No way this is what our next generation of music is coming to, man. No way. No way, man. No way. I refuse to believe it. I refuse to believe this, man. I can't, I don't know. Dog, I don't even know what to say at this point, man. Jeez, bro. Bro, we listen to this, bro. This is what we listening to. There's no way anybody can tell me 5 words this man just said, bro. I swear I'm not hating, bro. There ain't no way. No way. I want to see what the closed caption says. I want to see. They can't even give out. They can't even give out any suggestion of what this man just said, bro. There's no suggestions, bro. Nah, bro. I genuinely don't know. Genuinely, I don't know what to do, what to think of this. I'm lost. My mind and body is lost. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. All right, ketchup. He said something about ketchup. Bro, it's so over, bro. This shit is so over, bro. This shit is so fried, bro. No way these are the best underground artists they could have got. No way. 6 Bill. Okay, 6 Bill, please talk to me, bro.
Fuck that lineup, this shit weak. Look at me, Mario made it geek.
Fuck this lineup, this shit weak. Hey, wish he spinning. He know the truth. He know the truth, though.
Fuck that lineup, this shit weak. Look at me, Mario made it geek. Pop this pay, who high to me, who fly to me, nobody beat. Heard I got racks put on my head, get a hoe, he love, follow me. Boy, you can keep that bitch on right the way she swallow me.
Okay.
Mask up like it's Halloween, grab F and then my shooter purge. She too tight for G.
Not gonna lie, I just beat. I ain't gonna lie, I just beat though. I can't even lie.
Put a lapel inside her purse. Ain't got a none that little boy scared to shoot. I tell her go to church. Try what I want, fuck what I like, bitch. I got rich off words. Yeah, I'm gonna make that pull out 10 and they about to give me Kirk. Yeah, poppin'
I like this way better than the last 7 because I can at least hear what he's saying. At least I can understand what he's saying. And he was flowing on the beat. The last 6, 7 dudes, they were not flowing on the beat, bro. I like his voice too. For y'all dance, he just called y'all niggas weak too. Y'all, that's how I know these niggas don't be hearing, bro. Listening, they just be hearing beats, bro. That's how I know. He just called y'all niggas weak.
I'm not fucking hoe, I'm probably in the studio working. If I'm not pulling the phone, I'm popping on Xbox, I go pretty.
Okay. Hey, I gotta like this. I like this. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, no, that's it. No, bro. I need you to go longer, gang. With this lineup, I need you to go longer, gang. Ain't no way that's all you had, bro. I'm running that back. I'm sorry, bro. That was low-key tough. I'm sorry. Out of everything we heard so far, that was one of the best ones. That was probably what? Top 2. so far.
Fuck that lineup, this shit weak. Look at me, Mario, made it geek. Pop this pig, who high to me, who fly to me, nobody beat.
Yeah, that's how I know the shit is weak as hell.
Boy, you can keep that bitch on like the way she swallow me. Mask up like it's Halloween, grab F and then I shoot a purse. She too tight for G19, put a lapel inside her purse.
Yeah, I like this way better than the last shits I just heard.
I'm in the made that pull out 10, bitch, about to give me Kirk. Bitch, I'm fried, my eyes white like dirt like dirt. I got a bitch, she from the island, just like Ruby work. She got Ramadan, send him on missions, tell him rockin' Persian. I said, bitch, not Bourbon. Beverly, bitch, she Persian. If I'm not fucking her, I'm probably in the studio working.
I like his cadence a lot too. His cadence is nice.
If I'm not pulling the phone, I'm popping on Xbox, I go pretty. I'm still young, not free my bro. I'm still young, now fuck the jury.
Nah, he look nice. I like him. What's his name? Six Bill. Yeah, I might have to check out some of him. And this other dude, Kaylin, where you at? I like those two so far. Those are my favorite two so far. Who this? Max Proxy.
Minneapolis, that bitch, she steady grinning. I just rolled a joint and twisted like my fucking dreads are thinning. I'm
Okay.
a mogul, I invest in women, proxy next to Finnet. Feel like I'm the best up in my fucking class, yeah, I admit it. I'm so hungry, stomach spinning, my music bumping, drums are hitting.
Okay.
Like the ocean tides,
It's like rapper. Thank you.
I've been sprinting. No, I'm not like other niggas, and my bitch not other women. Niggas asking for some substance and they put like nothing in it.
Okay.
Bitch on my dick, on my mama, I might slap a bitch. Bitch on the knees. Calm capping, I could teach you how to jug, but jugging niggas is a passion. 20/20 vision, as a kid I wanted glasses. Niggas is not eating.
I just knew it was too good to be true, gang. I just knew it was too good to be true. I had a feel that I was like, nah, bro. Some switch up for the. I was just finna say some switch up or something about to come, and he's about to just go to a straight mumble rapper, and boy was I right. Shit is cooked, man.
Might be fasting. I don't want the beat without the four step and the clapping. Tricks off the kids like the motherfucking rabbit. If I see some money, gotta grab it. Just speak and knock and told them niggas.
That fade was so ass, bro. Oh my god, my ears, bro. Baby keep saving after this bullshit, bro.
Turn the speakers up. Get it chicken like some Popeyes, I'ma piece you up. Bitch, I gotta deal with the Jews, yeah, they lease me up. Smoke more weed than that nigga with Khalifa.
That's not even true. You know it's not true, bro. You can't outsmoke Wiz Khalifa, bro. That you. Oh my gosh, bro.
I'm a flexer up in bankrolls on the teachers. Back in high school, I had bankroll in the bleachers.
Hell no, bro. Bro, please, bro. Please, bro. It's just bass. Please, bro. Please get out of here. Oh my god. What is this? Bro, what is this? What am I hearing? Okay, what am I hearing? Bro, what am I hearing? Hello? Hello? Bro, I didn't change. Bro, this is the actual video. I did not change my sound settings. This is the video, gang. This is just the video. This is the song. Dog. Okay, so that's outside silhouette and stuff. What cipher was this? Always Cypher. Tizo, they had Tizo Diamond, Young Fazo. I might have checked that out. That was a month ago. I did not hear about that. What was the last? Oh yeah, this one, bro. They had, bro, 2025 Underground Cypher, bro. The top 10 Cypher had Benji, Per Queso, K3, YT, Pretty Fun, K. Oh my, Skinny Boys. Oh my, Ecstasy, Breeze, dude, Rocket, dude. They had a lineup for that top 10. So to go from that to this Always Cypher with Tizo Diamond, Young Fazo to this game, dog. What the hell?
I'm 42.
King, what? Yeah, the way he was kind of crazy. I like him. I ain't gonna lie. The only two people I liked on this whole Cypher was what's his name, Six Bill and Taylor. Everybody else, if you thought him away, I wouldn't even be mad at you, bro. I'm sorry. And the map P guy sounds pretty good. That was fire. Gang, what? I was just start after my entire family died in a tragic accident with two Cyphers versus 5K boy here about woes with heavily voiced beat selection. I can finally see the light again. Too slimy saved my life. Thank you. All right, man. All right, bro. I read this too. This big about to give me Kirk. When I heard that, I was like, no way, this man just said what I think he said, bro. Nah, gang. Bro, y'all got it, bro. I'm too arced out at 23. I'm too arced out at 23 game. Too arced out. Y'all got it, bro. No, not oh my, bro. My brain is fried now, bro. Baby King, you gotta say me after this. Let me know down below in the comments what y'all think. If y'all like the Cypher or not. I obviously do not like that bullshit. I'm sorry. Y'all can say I'm hating or not. Let me know. Argue. Peace, man.